hope that we get this full-size Huda palette in this.
Yeah.
That'd be nice.
Okay, ready? Hey everybody, and welcome. Today's video is another edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy, Mother versus Daughter. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus edition.
Woo, woo.
These are our paid for bags.
Stop! I picked all my stuff. Just 3 items. I just shook the whole room. Earthquake? No, it's just Hailey. Anyways.
I am already...
So I guess I'll start first.
Well, hold on. We're not there yet. Son of a gun!
Stop looking! I just don't want to drop it out of the bag.
Okay, well, anyways, guys, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Ron, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess, and today I'm really like... I probably didn't win, I can guarantee. But anyways, judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. Sit back, relax, grab yourself a big glass of tea, water, whatever it may be, and let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so by the way, this is Hailey. She has her channel. She's been a little busy, so there's no new videos just yet, but they will be coming. Chill, peeps. She's a busy girl. Anyways, today we are going to be unbagging our Glam Bag Plus.
Busy with mental illness.
What?
Busy with mental illness. You need to clean your makeup brushes.
You can do that.
No.
Like, okay.
It takes me 2 hours to clean.
I don't want to edit all day long.
Okay, I'm sorry. Just keep going.
So the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month. You do get to customize 3 out of the 5 items. 3 you choose, 2 Ipsy picks for you. I had issues with mine.
Mine somehow, even though it said it was loading, I still got all 3 of the items that I picked.
I did too. I did end up with that. But the one thing, okay, go ahead and start.
Mom's mad at me because I got this and she didn't get it. I picked this. This is a glow recipe.
I didn't even have that as an option.
I'm not done talking yet. Lip pop.
Why is that so bad?
It's literally just a chapstick.
I don't care. I love those things. Does it
What?
smell good? No.
It literally looks like a Barbie lipstick from when I was a child. That's what it looks like.
Oh, that's perfect. You needed that. I remember when it came out, I almost bought it. And I was like, no. It's really nice. Okay. Was that one you picked that, you said? Okay, so my item, this Ipsy picked for me. This is the $1 Billion Brows.
Oh.
The best brow toolkit ever. Oh, you got that too? I don't want it. I wish they hadn't picked it for me.
Really?
Yeah, I'm gonna just use it on my husband's eyebrows because as we know, I don't have them. I have to draw them in and fake them. So, anywho.
I broke my little scissors by using them for arts and crafts, so I needed some. So. I don't really have
That worked out for you.
I broke it. Okay. Anyways. So I guess I'll go now. My next item is the Complex Culture Power Pose Lip Gloss, and I chose this. I'm pretty sure. Wow, I didn't know it was going to be like
pretty.
It's like, it's thick, and I like it. This packaging is so different for me. It looks like it should be like a nail polish, and I like it. It looks like the lip smacker ones that you used to be able to stick together. You never probably knew those, but I loved them. They had them at my book fair one year, and I don't know how they got there, but I wasn't allowed to buy them.
No?
No.
Could we pour?
No, you just told me not to waste my money on toys again.
Because you came home with nothing but toys and no books.
That was only one time, so...
Oh my god. Okay. So the next item that I got, this was another one that Ipsy picked for me. This is the Pixie Skin Treats Hydrating Milky Serum. It's fine. It's just fine.
So this isn't the item Ipsy picked for me. It's the Moods at least I think it was picked for me. The Laura Sanchez Moods Eyeshadow Palette.
Why do I have that?
I don't
Have
know.
you never gotten it?
No.
Really?
I have not.
I've gotten that before. I think I may have put it in a giveaway.
Comes with the brush.
Looks like a highlighters.
Like 2 highlighters, yeah. I like it.
Eyeshadows.
Colorful.
Okay, so the next item, this is what I picked only because the IGK hair mask balm stuff that I wanted apparently sold out and everybody picked it. So, this is the Laura Geller Quench and Tint Hydrating Foundation. I did pick this shade medium. It's just like a tinted moisturizer. I've not tried it out yet or anything, but I mean, these are kind of things that I use in the summertime or the spring or on the no makeup days. So that is the one item I did pick. Even though it didn't tell me it was confirmed, I did end up getting it.
The last item that I picked was the one Mom wanted to pick. It's the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm.
Yep, I wanted that.
You can have it.
No, it's okay. I ended up finding one that I have. I was just getting it for backup, so it's fine. The next item I ended up picking, I already have. It's by Wonder Beauty. This is a Lip Retreat Oil. I already have one open. I love this. I talk about all the time keeping hyaluronic acid on my lips and then putting like balms on top. I absolutely love this stuff. So that was one of my picks.
I'm done.
How are you done?
I don't know. Maybe I went twice in a row.
Oh, my next or last item is the YC Collection Let Me First Primer. It is one that I've never tried before, but it promises not to peely up or whatever. It has a price tag of like $15.99, so it's like a drugstore price. And February is supposed to be the month of the Glam Bag X. 8 full-size products. You choose 3, worth up to $428. It's curated faves from celebrity makeup artist Patrick Ta is supposed to be in there, which I've got some of his blushers and I love them. It does show in here we've got like Huda Beauty and IGK, like a bunch of really cool things. So I did sign up for it. You did too, didn't you? I signed up for it when it first came out. So we'll see when choices open up. But see, they're showing the Huda Beauty Rose. That was the first one. Wasn't it called Rose Gold or something? I can't remember. Yeah, Rose Gold palette. So we shall see. What are your thoughts on your bag?
I like it.
You won.
Sorry.
I feel like you won just with that Glow Recipe alone. I love Glow Recipe.
It tastes good.
Does it?
Watermelon.
It looks pretty on your lips too.
I put that one sparkly one over top though.
Yeah, it's pretty. I don't know. I mean, I feel like for January, I said this about my glam bag, I feel like they should have been like, you know, guns a-blazing or whatever. And I
so happy 2020 is over. Here's like a really good bag.
Yeah, like HAILEY'S palette. I have that. I've already seen that. Like,
did you get it in like a Boxycharm or something?
No, it came in an Ipsy. I may have done an add-on with it too. I don't know. Anyways, guys, wow, we did that video really quick. Anyways, guys, let me know what were your favorites with your Ipsy Glam Bag, and did you have any outstanding like products that really stood out to you? I don't know. I'm just very ho-hum. I'm very ho-hum about this bag. I mean, it's worth the 25 bucks, like you always say. Did you get your $25 worth?
Yeah.
I definitely feel like I did, but
I'm not overwhelmed about it.
Yeah, I'm very underwhelmed.
Yeah.
Very, very much.
You see, even if I'm underwhelmed with like a Ipsy, it helps. Like Ipsy helps me save a lot of money every month.
True.
Because I'm not like, oh, I need new makeup, because I know I'm getting something sent to me every month. So
yeah, that's true. I do use my subscription makeup more than I do going out and buying makeup. But if you guys are interested in a new eyeshadow palette, this is what I have on my eyes today. This is the Canon palette from Alter Ego. It's a dupe for the Natasha Denona Bronze palette.
Canyon. Not Canon.
5 videos of me saying Canon.
I was just like, I looked at it and I was like, wow, that looks like rock formation. And then I was like, I looked at, oh, sweet mother.
Shoot, that's gonna be fun.
Have you posted them yet?
Nope, I have to edit them.
Oh, okay, just voiceover Canon or Canyon. Canyon. I meant Canyon.
literally maybe even 6 videos of me saying Canyon. How did I screw that up? I completely messed the Y. Anywho, it's $14.40 with code HOTMESS. You could get a really good palette. Alright, I feel like butt. I'm hopping off for now. Give Hailey a follow. Check me out over on Instagram. Check out my second channel. And until next time, friends, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.
Bye.
Oh, Lord. I can't believe I did that.